Calling all brunch lovers, we're visiting the sweet and savory Spokane spot Bruncheonette. This homey restaurant is the perfect stop for all your breakfast and lunch favorites, and Spokaneites can't get enough.
Very homey, and it's like you're in somebody's kitchen.
Like a hometown, inviting, upscale diner. Makes you want to sit down and have a meal.
It's always super friendly, and it just seems like everyone who's in here is having a great time.
It's super welcoming, and we kind of invite everyone in to have brunch with us.
Co-owners and chefs Joy Lee and Alan started catering in 2011. Then they added a food truck and opened Bruncheonette just 5 years later.
Our grand opening, soft opening, was not a soft opening.
No.
It was a
so busy.
crazy opening.
Yeah.
When we opened the doors, we were only expecting probably like 40, 50 people to walk through the whole entire day. And we were packed from open to close.
As soon as they opened, it became my hands-down favorite place to come for breakfast.
It's really hard to choose because everything that I've had is really amazing. Today I had the Monte Cristo French toast.
Biscuits and gravy with the chorizo gravy.
The hash or the chicken and waffles my go-to for breakfast.
I got the pommes frites burrito, but it has shoestring french fries inside.
It's homemade, lots of flavor.
The stuff that's local is the freshest. So in that, it's gonna portray itself on the plate.
I think we really care about what we're serving, just mostly because we like to eat ourselves, and so why not serve really good products to everyone else?
Right.